back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, guys. Amazing. Anyway, basically, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you feel all a little bit cool and all them things that you go in the kitchen and the only thing you can jar for is some plantain or probably some cornmeal or if you have oats. You know what happened? I'm going to make you guys some plantain and oats porridge today. That's what I feel for in the morning. Yeah. Alright? Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always try to give you the best recipe. They might similar but different style and techniques and all them things there. Stay tuned. Don't forget to go over to my website and check on the website and see if you see anything you know other guys. Remember the cookbook is out there. Get a copy and support Chef Ricardo team. We love you all. Stay. Yes, so things looking good right over here. Alright? We just gonna put on the gloves and take you through the details of everything what you need to do at home. Get yourself a blender. That's the first thing you need, a blender. Alright? 2 packs of oats. Basically, I'm using the original oats. I'm not using the one that have the sugar. I'm gonna like them one there. Alright? Gonna put the oats inside of the blender just like this. So if you don't have like the pack oats like what I'm using right here, basically you can just get at least 5 tablespoons of oats because we work out to do a pack. Now we're just gonna remove the skin from the plantain. This is the Jamaican authentic green plantain. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, I tell you something, guys. When you drink this all night man without some peanut, you need to blend up all them things that can't go wrong. Can't go wrong in the morning with something like this, guys. When you wake up and you feel a little bit cool and all them things that you're looking at in the kitchen and the only thing you see is this. So we're gonna put in this in it now. Just cut it up. One finger of plantain, you know. If you want to add more, say if it is more you guys and you want to add some more, yeah, you just add all 3 or 4 finger, you know what I mean? Because the more you blend up in it, the more you get a lot, you know. Alright, so this is finished. Now I have some almond milk which I'm going to be used to blend it because I love almond milk, you know what I mean? Yeah, I love the almond milk, definitely. So we're just gonna blend this now for about 2 to 3 seconds. Give it a shake. Mad settings in our kitchen, Chef Ricardo. Well, it done blend. So when you have a good blender like this in the kitchen, it works perfect for you guys, honestly. Alright, so basically as you can see for yourself, it is finished blend. Alright, I don't even need to go any more further with it. That's it. Perfect. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to cook it up and make it look good and look nice in the kitchen. Alright, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video here. Because this video on a normal video. Secondly, you can use fresh coconut milk, but I like to use the reduced coconut milk. Reduced fat coconut milk. I don't like too much of the coconut milk go inside of, you know what I mean, because a lot of fat come with it. So when you get the reduced one, it works perfect for you, especially if you're a person who want to lose weight and all them things there. Reduced coconut milk is the best one to use. Reduced fat coconut milk. Alright? We're going to use some of that in the porridge. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, as you can see here it is. So we're going to put roughly about 1/4 can of the coconut milk inside of it. And as I say, I'm using reduced fat coconut milk, guys. I'm not using, you know what I mean, a lot of the, you know what I mean, just 1/4 cup. Alright. You know, once you blend up your thing and all, and, you know, you're just going to simple pour it off inside of it like this. Alright. So simple. Yeah. Give it a lovely little spin. So what you can do, the same almond milk, you just pour a little bit in the blender and rinse it out, you know. Yeah, rinse it out and be alright. Every little thing gonna be alright right now in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. And just pour this in it like that. Lovely. Yeah, it's looking good. So what we're going to do, you may see it look like this, but honestly, you're just gonna continue cook until it gets really thick. Don't go anywhere, stay right there in the kitchen and watch this video. Yeah. See? Look at that. So that thick and nice. So you're just going to cook, you know. Take the time and cook it for about 15 minutes, guys. In the morning, I don't want it to take too long. In the morning, if you cook up some lovely food. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I talk about. This is beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Alright. And that's exactly what I talk about. So basically 15 to 20 minutes and we are good to go. Alright. So we just have it on a medium size heat right now, as I can see. Cooking out this flavor and its taste and everything in it. You can't go wrong, guys, honestly. Yeah. Nice. So what we do now, we just put this into our container and load it like this. Beautiful. What do you think about this one, guys? Tell me. Write it in the description box and let Chef Ricardo know exactly what do you think about this porridge. Me make a whole heap of porridge because I'm a man, me love make porridge. And honestly, me make all different kind of porridge. I make vegan porridge, I make this of porridge, I use this of. So much porridge, man. It's amazing. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Sit down and watch the video. Make sure you have another coffee where you want to make. You know what? Yes. Go and make yourself another make a coffee, cause you know your video gonna take a little bit of time. Alright? Look how that boiling. Look how that is boiling. Let's put up the camera to it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. It is fantastic and amazing. Look at the beautiful porridge. Look at the beautiful porridge. What I'm talking about. In the morning, you make this in the morning. Tell me, early morning. Nah, I say nothing, you know. Early morning chain ride. This one is amazing, guys. It is amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that beautiful porridge you need to have for your breakfast. All you need is some crackers and some Jamaican hard bread. Look how it boil. Give it another whisk. Turn on the stove a little bit. Look at that. Oh my. Alright, what kind of porridge you want me to make for now? Tell me. Peanut or you name it. The other day I make a pumpkin porridge. I tell you it was amazing. Pumpkin porridge is different. I got a pumpkin cake which I'm going to make. So look forward for that one. Yeah. That one going to be amazing. In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Look at that, guys. Fantastic. You know, we just don't want to take a. We just want to make you guys see exactly what I go on at the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Beautiful one. Look at that. Amazing. Get some spices ready. You know what I mean? Make the spice and go and cooking also inside of it. And where's salt there? We don't use any salt we use. Yeah. Alright. What we want to do, yeah, just to make you guys see exactly what I'm going. Alright, what I'm gonna do now, I don't want to say Chef Ricardo talk too much about the thing. Let's crack on with it. Alright. Sea salt. Very healthy for you. We're gonna put some sea salt in it. Alright, that's the sea salt. We're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of vanilla. Jamaican vanilla. That's all the way from Jamaica to Chef Ricardo. We're gonna put some grounded cinnamon powder. As you guys can see, you can see where I'm going. Look at that. It's a pinch of cinnamon powder, you know. Look and see what I'm going in the kitchen. Secondly, we're gonna put some mixed spice. And thirdly, we have some Jamaican nutmeg egg. Your favorite, guys. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Woo, woo, woo. This one is amazing. Sweeten it up like this. You can use brown sugar or you can use sweet condensed milk. You know what I mean? If you're a vegan, you just use some brown sugar. Alright. Alright. The job is some condensed milk. Alright, with the condensed milk, you sweeten and taste as you goes along. Don't do what Chef Ricardo been doing. You sweeten it and you taste it and see if it want more, alright? Look at that. This is a bad. This is no normal thing right now in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Remember me telling them, can never be normal. I forgot to tell you how much water I have in the pot when I was making the porridge. I have roughly about 3 cups of water, 3 large cups of water. You know? Yeah, 3 large cups. Yeah, look at that. Early morning, chain ride. Can't go wrong, guys. Let's taste it. Wow. Alright, you need a little bit more stuff. A little bit more salt. This is sea salt. It's much better than the other salt. A little bit more sweet condensed milk. Not much. Yeah. All the other is a spice them. I can taste in it. We're just gonna leave this now for about 10 minutes for it to want to simmer and the medium size heat, alright? No, don't rush it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Taste it. That is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So, yeah. Just allow that for it to cook for another good 10 minutes and we're good to go. Alright? Stay tuned. Don't forget to click in the notification bell. Tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo and I love to give my fans them the best recipe in this whole entire world. Stay tuned. Whoa, whoa. Look at the porridge, guys. You know what I mean? I have it roughly about almost 13 minutes now. I have it a boil like this. Honestly, it just looking good, nice, beautiful, fantastic. Everything is just amazing right there. Take a good look. Early morning chain ride. You can't go wrong with these kind of things, guys, in the morning. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo and I'm always giving you the best recipe them in this whole entire world. As you can see, with Chef Ricardo at dartboard. Look at the amazing porridge, guys. Turn off my stove now, guys. You don't want it to burn. You know what I mean? That's why I tell you guys to cook it on a medium size heat. That is beautiful, guys. What we should do though, tell me. No, what we should do now, share it out and see when you look at the plate. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So you can see I just set up my bowl and all them thing there. So, you know, getting it ready. Now, I'm just gonna simply give it the original Jamaican way by just simple pouring out some porridge like this for the celebrity. Alright? I have a celebrity where I wait on the porridge. Yeah! That's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Look at the steam coming out the porridge. Amazing, guys, and fantastic. You tell me exactly what do you want in the morning when you're drinking a bowl of porridge and go to your 9 to 5 job. Especially if you're under the cool and all them things there. This is what you need to balance off the day. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Yeah, we have a lot more recipe coming from Chef Ricardo team. I will see you next time in the kitchen. Green plantain with oats. Blend it up with almond milk. Can't go wrong. See you next time. Bye bye.